everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Odette and I do weekly styling and fashion videos with a sprinkle of luxury every now and again. So today I have a what I got for Christmas type of haul, and it's not too many stuff, by the way. I think I just have 4 stuff to show you guys in this, but they're all amazing stuff, and the best part about it is that they were all steals, they were all on discounts. So I got them at very good prices basically. So today I'm showing you what I got for Christmas this year. Well, it's actually last year because now it's 2021, but yeah, what I got for Christmas last year. And yeah, I really loved all the items and I wanted to share with you guys. 3 of the items I have with me, one of it is still on its way, so you'd probably see that one in a cutaway. So if those are the kind of videos that you enjoy watching, then definitely subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you know every single time that I upload. So as you can tell from the title, in today's video I am sharing with you what I got for Christmas. Every single item here I absolutely love and I'm so lucky to have them. I think just there is just one item that is still kind of on the way that's going to get to me tomorrow, so I'm probably going to see that in the cutaway anyway, so it doesn't matter that I don't actually show you here and now. So in that section of the video I might just do a quick voiceover just so that I can tell you what I think about the item and how it fits, etc. So without much ado, let's get straight onto the items. So the first item that I got was this gorgeous I think is it a cow skin? I don't know what, I'm gonna put what type of fabric it is, but it does have like this cow this animal, I don't want to say cow, it does have like this animal fabric on it, you know, like when you get like still the hairs of the animal but it's still dry. I don't know if this is real. I probably would do some research and let you know maybe somewhere on the screen. So I got this belt. It's originally from Isabel Marant, but it was actually purchased from Selfridges. I absolutely love this belt. I have been looking at the other Isabel Marant belt and I'm going to show you a picture of what that looks like. So I had my eye on that one for a long time, but receiving this one as well is such a statement belt, and it's one of those belts that would go with so many items in my wardrobe, including this jumper dress that I'm wearing. It would go with something black because you do have the silver buckle here, so it will stand out in that way, but it would also look really nice on fabrics that have a bit of color in it, such as this beige or even green. I mean, just a bunch of different styles, dresses, or colors. This belt will go amazing with them. But I'm super pleased to have this one because this one, I haven't seen it around with too many people, so having a statement belt like this is just, I think it's a must for everybody's wardrobe basically. So yeah, this is the first item that I received for Christmas. Next item that I received is this gorgeous Reese jacket. So if you see my coat closet, and I might do a quick show and tell here, but if you see my coats closet, you would know that I don't need any more coats. However, ever since I saw the Saint Laurent white coat, I have wanted a dupe of that. Obviously the Saint Laurent one is worth like, I think $1,000 or more, or $2,000. I can't remember the price. I didn't even bother. I remember just browsing it and thinking, nope, I would find a dupe. But yeah, I got this one for Christmas and this one is amazing. So it's just this, it's not a black, it's not a white coat. It's more of an ivory colored coat. Yeah, it's more like an ivory / oatmeal colored coat, and it has this like gorgeous black buttons on them, obviously that run through, and obviously has this belt on it. You're going to see everything in the cutaway. I'm trying to show you everything here, but you can't actually see it, but it's such a beautiful coat. And obviously it has this military style, this feel to it, which is this I don't know what you call the buttons on the shoulder. But yeah, so this is an amazing piece to have in my wardrobe. I can definitely see me wearing this forever. This is like a forever coat to me. I have one other white coat that I purchased from ASOS a couple of years ago, but I found that I rarely wear that one, and I think it's because my style has changed slightly. So that is like an oversized slouchy coat, but I find that I prefer more structured coats, like ones that have the pads and the arms. They're a bit more trench like. I have gravitated more towards that look because it just makes you look very professional and very structured, and I just really like that look actually. So this coat is not particularly heavy, but it's quite warm because it's 78% wool. I think it's like 22% polyester or polyamide. Yeah, I'm really pleased to have this one. I can't wait to actually wear it out. The third item, and it's an item that I said I'm still to receive, you're going to see that in the cutaway, that's a Stuart Weisman, these are the Thailand boots, but it's the over the knee boots. Again, that's not a pair of boots that I've wanted for a long time. I have one over the knee pair of boots and it's leather, but I don't wear it that often just because I don't really like it. It's like a leather and has like a wedge heel or something. However, I am receiving a pair of Stuart Weisman boots and they're over the knees. I'm super excited to try them on. I only have one other pair of Stuart Weisman boots and those ones are actually flat. I am looking forward to receiving this one. I would now move on to the cutaway where I will talk maybe a bit more about it, how I feel about it, etc. So hi guys, this is the pair of Thailand boots from Stuart Weisman that I got. It fits perfectly. I got this in a size 41 and it's fine. To be fair, I could have done with a 40 and a half, but yeah, it's fine. I still have a bit of room at the front of the shoes. I'm normally a size 41 anyways, depending on the store. But in like Zara, for example, Zara Hills, I'm a 42. But I find that I can sort of go a size down-ish, or half a size down actually, or full size in case of this one, size 41. But I find that I can go half a size down in Stuart Weisman boots. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I like it. This is essentially how I thought I was going to be wearing it, like with a dress. So I'm just gonna try and show my complete outfit, but this is pretty much how I thought I was going to style it up, with like a mini fitted dress and then just have the boots like this. So the boots at the back, it has like a tie, what do you call them, 2 ropes that you can tie, I think, fasten the boots, make it a bit tighter. I don't need to do that. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just a little bit digging into my thighs, not too much, just a little bit. So really, if I lose a little bit of weight, I should be fine with it, but other than that, it's okay. But this is what it looks like. It's really comfortable, and this is a type of heel that I can wear the whole day. However, with this particular pair, I will not be able to wear a pair of jeans over it. I might, and this is a massive might, get away with wearing tights or really fitted leggings under it. Sorry, I said over it before, I meant under it. But outside of that, I really do not think that I will be able to wear a pair of jeans underneath it. So that's that. But yeah, I really like it. It's exactly what I thought I was going, more or less exactly what I thought I was going to get. And yeah, I recommend it for anyone who might be interested in it. So yeah, let's get back to the video. So the final item that I picked, and this one I just had to get. It was a little bit unexpected because I planned to purchase something else, but I ended up picking up this one because, well, it was much cheaper than the one I wanted to get, and it was not exactly, but it was very similar to what I wanted to get as well. I'm going to stop rambling and just show you immediately. So it's a Saint Laurent Cassandra bag, but it's not the top handle one. If you know anything about the Cassandra line, you know that they have 2 types of bags in their line, and one of it is the one without the top handle, which is just a Cassandra bag like this, and the second one has a top handle. So obviously Farfetch has been doing a massive sale at the moment, and a lot of the Saint Laurent bags went on sale. If you know anything about a lot of luxury brands, you know that especially the well-known ones like Saint Laurent, Gucci, Prada, etc., you would know that a lot of their items that they go on sale, it's not usually their most popular items. So granted, the Cassandra line it's popular, but it's usually the top handle that is popular. However, I still have never seen a Cassandra bag on sale outside of Saint Laurent, like when they're doing their private sales or anything. So to have seen this one in Farfetch, I was actually very surprised. So I've already done an unboxing of this bag, but I haven't uploaded it just yet. So if you're watching this video when I have already uploaded it, then I would definitely put a link either here or somewhere in the description box. But I will be doing a proper unboxing of this bag to show you the ins and outs of it and why I like it, etc. But I can tell you that the bag that I wanted to purchase for Christmas for myself was the Lulu bag in Saint Laurent. So if you remember, if you watch my last video, like what I got for my birthday, and I would put a link to that one, I actually picked up the Saint Laurent Lulu bag at the airport, and I picked it up at such a steal. I think it was about 200 pounds off at the time that I picked it up also. Anyways, but I picked it up at such a steal. However, there were so many wrinkles on that bag, and I ended up returning that one back to Harrods because they weren't able to get me one that had the wrinkles, and I ended up replacing that one with a toy Lulu. That's a black toy Lulu. So I always knew I still wanted the small Lulu in a beige color. However, Saint Laurent, I think it's sometime either in November or December, they increased their prices, and so now the Lulu small is super expensive. I still wanted to get it, like I was contemplating getting it, but then I saw this one which was on a sale, and I think this one was about 30% off the original price. And obviously it's not exactly the same as the small Lulu, but what I realized about the Lulu bags is that a lot of them are creased, and for me, if you're gonna spend so much money on a luxury item, I don't want my bag to be creased. And so this, I think it's a good replacement for that, because I wanted a classic bag that had the envelope shape that is very obviously unique to Saint Laurent, and obviously the logo at the front as well. And I also wanted a bag that was exactly in this color because I don't own any bags in this color. So I ended up picking this one. So yeah, so that's it for all the items that I picked up for Christmas. Definitely let me know in the description box what you guys got for Christmas, whether it's stuff that you bought for yourself or whether the gifts that you received. And of all the stuff that you guys received, what was your favorite? If you enjoyed watching it, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see how I style out some of these items, then go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, because I always post inspirational styling pictures for you guys. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you would know every single time that I upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.